Hi, this is my second project for 2025. So, this is the project for February pretty much. So, this is near Raleigh, NC, and this is a 4 bed, 2.5 bath house. This is the main entrance, living area, dining area, and the kitchen. This is the half bath downstairs, and then there's a 1 bedroom. This is the bedroom. So downstairs is like, you know, living area, dining area, kitchen, and a half bath and a bedroom. That's what we have downstairs. And then all the stuff is all over. They didn't move the stuff. It was as is sale. Steps pretty much looks bad. I think we may need to replace them, and we have to do the whole painting. They try to patch up the paint, the different. I think initially they had like orange, and then they tried to do it, and they did a white, and then they gave up, and they sold it. This is not. This is the master bedroom, so it needs pretty much a new paint, maybe new flooring, new in the bathroom, the new fixtures, you know. And then this bathroom shower looks good, and the closet looks good. I think you just need to clean up all this stuff. This is how as is sale looks like. They don't take all the stuff. They just leave everything as is and they just sell it. So then it's our job to kind of, clean up everything. That's a cost. Dumpster is like $500. Maybe it needs 2 3 dumpsters. Depends how much stuff they have, and then so it's like 3 grand, $3,000 cost just to clean out. I think washer dryer looks good. The paint looks good, flooring looks good. I think unit looks good. No questions there. And this is an additional bedroom. I think they're using right now as a gym room. I think the paint looks good here. I think it just a lot of cleanup, and we have to see how bad is the flooring. If we need to replace, or we just need to do a press. What is called? Clean out the carpet. They left a lot of books here. They don't want to take all these books. I don't know. So yeah, sometimes you may find a lot of treasure. I heard stories people found like all kind of stuff. It can be anything. So sometimes we get guns too, guns, cash, all those art stuff, antique pieces, antique stuff. This is this is the closet. Closet looks good. Just need to clean up, that's all. Let's look at the next bedroom. Yeah, let's go back downstairs.